Dang it, Caleb, that is so inappropriate.
And we are live. All right. Today was a good day. I bought my first cryptocurrency. That was exciting.
Nice.
And transferred it to my Nano wallet. And now I don't know what to do. So I'm just twiddling my thumbs.
Basically, you're a millionaire in crypto.
Ah, sweet.
But if you had invested 10 years ago, you'd be a billionaire.
Dang it. I'm going to invent a time machine. And go back in time and become a billionaire. And then the rest of the day, I've just been buttoning up some API security. I've learned a lot of cool stuff today, so I'm pretty excited to get that all implemented. And that was my day. Yeah. All right, Jason.
What up?
That's as far as I can zoom in. There we go.
I recorded a video, new video for web, where to start as a beginner web developer. And I took care of customer service stuff and got the blockchain landing page to a point with some other updates for the website. We got that up on dev for testing and just need some verbiage and making a few tweaks, and then that's all done and that can go live. So that'll be fun. And that's it.
Did you harpoon some whales?
I harpooned some whales and gave some turkey feet massages, foot massages, something like that.
Is that some kind of analogy, Jason?
I don't know what an analogy is.
He's like, is that when you go to the doctor and you have this rash? Like, yeah, then I understand. I caught an analogy the other day at the park.
Oh boy, man. Yeah, I saw that. You got roasted a little bit last night. That was funny.
The funny thing is, I believed it until Mark corrected me this morning.
He's like, well, the thing is, he actually would say something like that, so it was completely reasonable.
I believe that. Well, good work, Jason.
Yeah.
All right, Nathan.
Yeah, today is pretty good. I got another bug. Well, I guess it was a bug.
You got a bug?
No, it's more like a feature.
Bug.
I mean, you open your laptop and it automatically plays for you.
Bug. It was just unwanted behavior. Yeah. Is that a bug?
Look, that all comes down to marketing. That's the only real difference between a bug and a feature.
Because it's like a sunflower. It's supposedly a weed, but a weed is like any flower that you don't want in your garden. So it's up to the eye of the beholder. So it's kind of like it could be a bug, could be a feature. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
it's true. It's not buggy behavior. It's autoplay.
Yeah, I know. That's a feature. You can even disable it in the settings.
Yeah, exactly. But I got it fixed. I got it actually fixed with clean code. And then I've been looking.
We'll be the judge of that.
Yeah, I think it's cleaner. You should have looked at it before. But I also
so wait, you have to have a horrible comparison to like now it's better than it was before comparison.
But here's the thing: when I think that maybe code is bad, that probably means it's bad. And I thought it was bad, so I fixed it.
Well, I'm glad that your code smell went off.
Yeah. So I mean that was the bulk of my day, actually just trying to figure out what methods Electron has to detect going to sleep and stuff like that. And then I looked into some more stuff for like the fetch policy, for like offline cache support, all that for the future. And that's
sweet, man. Good work. All right, Mark.
What's up, gentlemen? Man, worked with Caleb. Caleb did most of the work, I have to admit. But worked with Caleb on the exam, the official Ethereum certified developer exam. And I went through and reviewed every question. I peer reviewed it. I looked at sources for it to ensure its accuracy. I I went and then formatted all the stuff in it, like code formatting, and gave them fonts, sizing, and stuff for the exam. And now it's being reviewed right now. So good work, Caleb. Amazing work. It's good stuff. It's really good. I feel really confident about it as I went through it, having done Ethereum development myself and built quite a few apps, testing out different things. Like I also have to say, this quiz covers a lot of that stuff. So you can feel really confident if like, you know, this stuff. Like I'm not even sure I'd pass the quiz myself. Like that's how good it is. So I need more studying to do. So that's good. It's really good. So that got done. We'll keep you posted on that, Caleb, as things move along. Working on other things related to blockchain. It's been kind of nice for me. Like we all worked real hard these last like days and months. And so I had a lot of fun actually setting up a Linux machine this week. I completely wiped out Windows. I never want to use it again. It's the most disgusting operating system ever created. Like Linux and Mac, it's amazing. Like, why would you ever use Windows? Like I opened up my Razer gaming laptop when it had Windows and it's like pop up, Microsoft Edge, updates ready. I'm like, stop, just like stop and click. I can't even click all this stuff. And like you open up Linux and it's just like, I'm here to serve you, master. And I'm like, yes, thank you. And so I did that. I also set up some cloud providers, playing around with IPFS, a fully decentralized website. So your front-end websites can actually be distributed across a network of P2P. So you could have 100% uptime and your users could even host your website assets, which is really, really cool. And I actually got it running, working with the Red Tool on that a little bit yesterday, working as a node on that, which was really fun. And so I've been doing research into NEM as well, the competitor blockchain network to Ethereum. That's NEM, and their cryptocurrency is called ZEM, Z-E-M. Honestly, I'm real impressed. Like I'm impressed. I'm so impressed with some of these blockchain technologies. Way cooler than Ethereum, like in the sense from a developer perspective. Anyway, playing with all that, and now I need to start pumping out some lessons, and I've just been kind of floating on where I want to start with that. I want to make sure our audience is getting the right technology and the right lessons. We're definitely teaching Ethereum for sure, but there's a lot more to teach. And so anyway, it's been a good week to do that stuff without having to be desperately coding on the website and other things, like me personally. So good stuff, really good stuff. Fun stuff. I had fun. While Jacob was miserable and crabby coding all kinds of back-end stuff, I was like, crypto, smart contracts, woo, be decentralizing, power to the people, not to the government. And, you know, he's just like, oh, I got to write this stupid API code, blah, blah, blah. And I just, it just makes me happy a little bit.
Well, yeah, because it's all stupid code because stupid people just try to be malicious. So,
Evan, stop being malicious, dang it.
But no, actually, I have fun with the security end of it. It's cool.
Security is fun. It's really cool. It's
but
fun.
I want more time. I gave up on dual booting Linux on my MacBook Pro. Too many problems. So now I just have to get a Linux box.
That's be cool. I wonder if I don't know the answer to this. I wonder if they sell pre-built Linux boxes, or companies like retrofit machines like really well with like Linux. I don't know, but I'm just curious.
I don't know. Like some laptops come with Linux, but I don't know. Thought I lost my earbuds and I found them in my pocket just now, so that's exciting.
Oh, I didn't know you had any.
The corded ones, the ones that only work in your phone.
Oh. Okay, yeah. You're like 1.0 and the rest of the world's on 2.0. Got it.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking about wanting AirPods, and then I was like, wait, but if I want to get rid of my iPhone, it would be useless.
Yeah, we're going fully decentralized. We're getting rid of our phones, and we're going to use landlines.
Yeah, or
the cords. We're gonna cut the cords on them, so they're like completely decentralized.
Strings and cans, I think.
Ooh, dude, I'm digging this. I'm really digging this decentralization stuff.
It'll be cool. You know, we could make the Devslopes app a node, and it could host our website.
For real. Well, I definitely want to explore that, like getting us more decentralized securely. We need the right solution, but yeah, why? One server on a cloud server, AWS, DigitalOcean, whatever, versus like 10,000 of your students or community members like supporting the cause, maybe earning coins, hosting your website for you. That is really cool.
That'd be sweet.
That's good. Fun stuff. This is cool stuff. So me and Jacob are talking about cool stuff. You guys are all doing whatever.
Yeah, this is the only chance I get, and then I have to go back to API work. All right, Johnny B.
Finished up the new Firebase social login section for Android. That's all uploaded to Vimeo, and I got the source code and everything, so that's ready to go.
Great.
That's it, besides the usual customer support stuff.
Hey, Johnny, just clarifying your videos. I don't know if you replied in Slack. Those videos go at the end of the current Firebase Firestore section. It's not a new section.
Yeah. Same way as it is in the Apple slope.
Okay.
Johnny, write it out, man. If you don't write it out every single lesson, it's going to end up backwards, sideways, and with like wrong spelling in every single lesson.
That's false. I got it.
I wrote it out in the courses channel. So
make sure you peer review it, Johnny. Just saying.
I will.
Wouldn't want stuff to be in the wrong spot for the 100th time, making me look like an idiot.
All right. Wow.
Oh, where's the?
One day, Jason is just gonna be behind you and snap and like stab you.
One day,
my day
will be the way that I want it entered the first time.
I'm glad I'm getting a Glock in 2 weeks. I'm just kidding.
And that was broadcasted to the world forever.
He said a lock, like for a door.
For my motorcycle lock. So
he could leave more easily.
I thought he was talking about Crocs.
Shoes. Those would be comfy.
That's what he said. He's getting a Crocs in 2 weeks so he can de-stress because they are so soft and comfy and he won't have to deal with stress. Crocs. Got it.
YouTube's decentralized, right?
Yeah. All right. Well, on that note, good job, Johnny. And Evan.
Hey guys, just grabbing food. I'm here in Silicon Valley, super hardcore, just young dude in the Bay Area, and I'm just killing it out here. Feeling super millennial today, but I did some product stuff. Met some big dogs, big wigs, just some real VIP type stuff. So yeah, I'm a pretty big deal. And I just can't talk to you right now because you guys aren't as big a deal as the thing I'm doing right now. So peace. And
then end it with like a dope AF.
Dope AF, peace, man. Wait, how does he do his hat? No, he doesn't do it backwards. Does he? Yes, he does. He does it backwards.
Yeah, he does a backwards hat. Well, you need a hoodie on. A golden Eagles shirt, though.
Dang it.
Did you guys see his bullet points in Slack?
Oh, he did.
No, we don't read those.
Yeah, he sent them. So.
Caleb's not like
Caleb. I think it's funny that you think if you give an update through Slack, we'd actually read it.
That is funny. I should know better.
Oh, he said blogs, coffee shop, Dylan and Edie all day. They found a green ooze, large giant sunflowers, possibly Ninja Turtles involved, working on landing page revisions, planning for slopes, finished amplitude dashboards, learned about blockchain, and he finished roadmaps. He's apparently taking some trips, doing some surveying in South America, and he built some maps. It's pretty cool.
That is cool. Wow, full day, Evan. Good work.
Man, this guy, he's the real deal.
I miss my Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
I used to have Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtle slippers, Michelangelo.
Wait, the VIP he met with was the Ninja Turtles?
Yeah.
This was before
Down in the sewers. I think they had some pizza together.
Oh, that's why his service is so spotty. Got it.
Yeah. He's in the Ninja Turtle coffee shop.
Although I thought about that, it'd be cool to have a retro cafe, like wide scale retro cafe with like everything 80s, you know, like Ninja Turtles, bright lights, arcade machines, things like that. It'd be kind of cool.
Strobe lights just like really wakes you up in the morning.
And you can't come in the coffee shop unless you're wearing either like leg warmers or some type of ugly pattern. Well, Caleb would get in.
Oh my gosh.
The rest of us
make it one of the like the 90s Batman scenes, just like
bouncer
fluorescence everywhere.
You call this retro? This is totally hipster. Get out of here.
All right, Caleb.
All right, sorry about the echo. Today recorded an iOS data structures video on the stack, which was fun.
Oh, nice.
And edited that and uploaded it. Not really sure where it should go in the slope at the moment, but I did that. I did some kind of sketching out some blog post like outlines for things I want to write. Just kind of like wanted to sit down and flesh out a few ideas so I don't feel like I'm like kind of coming up with them on the fly. I did some planning. Oh, that's funny. Mark, you should check out Slack in a sec for your coffee shop idea. And then what else did I do? Oh, I did a bit of social media stuff in our story. I forgot to post today though, which was stupid. But anyway, I don't feel like it was a very productive day for me. It's kind of frustrating, but I did get a video done, added iOS content, and planned out some blog post stuff and did a bit of writing. So that was my day.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
I'm curious. So the stack was one pitching to developer. I had to import for them. How useful is something that.
I didn't hear part of that. Sorry, can you say that again?
Just the stack. Tell us about the stack. Why it's cool or exciting, or what's cool or exciting, or what.
Well, the stack is cool because it's a last in, first out data structure, meaning the last element you add is the first one you can remove. And there are 3 common functions that are used with the stack: push, peek, and pop. Push adds a new element to the top of the stack. Pop removes an element, removes the top element and returns it. And peek just lets you look at the top element. It's useful, I guess, for things that need to be structured that way. I don't really know. It's yeah.
Well, even it's interesting if you think about it. iOS you push it on, and if you ever want to load the base one, it actually has to pop all the top ones off to get to the base one. It's kind of cool. Anyway, I was just curious.
True. Yeah, Jacob muted me, so I'm going back to mute mode.
I'm sorry. I like you, Caleb. Even though I was teasing you, it's great. You're a nice guy.
I only mute you because I can't handle the echo. But good work, Caleb. All right. And it's Benjamin Button's turn.
Nice. I recorded a few videos today. I've been editing them for the last few hours. I'm hoping to get all of them up and ready. I've got about 9 that I'm editing right now for the Angular 5 section.
Great, man.
Did some website work, looked into some amplitude things for Evan, and did a lot of work prepping for Coffee and Code tomorrow, which is going to be on SpriteKit. We're going to be going over physics 2D for SpriteKit, as well as the other thing I was going to do.
So you could say you're getting pretty physical.
Game loops. Yeah, we're getting straight up physical. It's going to be awesome. So be there. And that was pretty much my day.
Sounds good. Sounds great. Sounds great.
Cool, guys. Guess that's it.
Yeah.
All right, good work, everyone. Later.
See ya.